Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I'm actually going to do a get ready with me because I'm actually getting ready to go out. Today is my birthday. I already did my eyebrows just to get that out of the way. I also did my foundation, so what I want to start by doing is doing my eyeshadow. So the first product that I'm going to be using today is my Kiko Pearly Eye Base, and I've been using this a lot because I like the finish of it. I mentioned that in my last video that when you put on your eyeshadow over this, it gives the eyeshadow a little bit of a pearly finish as well, so I'm going to use that one today. Today I'm actually going to be using my Mcgrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette, so let's get started with that. So the first color that I'm going to be using is SKINSHOW Divine Glow, and that's going to be right here on my eyelid. And Mcgrath eyeshadows are so pigmented, you really don't need to use a lot. Next, I want to take the shade Entrapment and blend out in the crease. So the next thing I want to do is apply a little bit of eyeliner. So right here I have my Honest Beauty Truly Black, and I'm just going to use that right from the inner corner along my upper lash line, and then I want to bring that out to where I have it here just to create a little bit of a shape. And then I'm going to bring it up into the crease. And then I want to smoke that out a little bit. And now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to blend a little bit more of the color Entrapment in the crease just to diffuse those colors. I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner to my lower lash line. And finally, I'm going to be applying the color Astral Luna Gold in my inner corner. I'm just going to apply some eyeliner and my false lashes, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm back. So I'm just going to be doing a little highlighting and contouring. It's really simple. I have my Cover FX Cover Click down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, under my eyes, and on my chin. And I'm just going to blend that out. And this is the Cover FX Cover Click in the shade N70. And I don't do a lot of highlighting and contouring. I just want the concealer to brighten up my face just a little bit. And I'm going to contour with a little bit of this MAC powder that I still don't know the name of. I'm so sorry. Now I'm just going to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be doing my lips. So I'm going to be using this really nice nude lip pencil, and then I'm going to be going over top with a nice brown lipstick from Chantecaille. Gonna apply my Becca highlighter in the shade Opal, and then I'm done with my face. Alright, so now I'm done. The dress that I'm going to be wearing tonight is from Fashion Nova, and it is this beautiful teal satin dress. And I think it's gonna go perfectly with the nude colors that I'm wearing. So let's go try that on. I was also able to pick up this beautiful black sheer dress from Fashion Nova. It has these faux rhinestones on it and the detailing is so pretty. It's fitted, and then when you put it on, it almost looks like you're not wearing a slip underneath, but it does have a coating underneath the dress, so it's not see-through. It just appears that way. And with the dress, I'm going to be pairing that with a blazer that I got from Zara. So as you can see, the dress fits perfect. The only thing that I'm concerned about right now is my hair. So last night I straightened my hair using my Revlon one-step dryer again, and I used it on high heat to blow dry my hair, and then I followed up by curling my hair with my Bio-Ionic flat iron. So I want to see if the curls stayed after I put them in these spoolies overnight.